Bradshaw from Cruiser Customizing with this helmet headset communication tip of the week. Now, over the last several years, the advances in motorcycle headset communication has been absolutely incredible. On the table in front of us, we have some of the most modern and up-to-date headsets when it comes to intercom and helmet communication. As you can see, most all of these headsets are extremely streamlined, easy to use, and extremely functional. If I had to tell you at the very beginning of this video, out of all of these units, which one was my favorite, I'd have to say that this Scena unit from Camos has been the most easy to use and the most reliable headset I've used to date. My goal today is to explain the differentiators between each of these units so that you have a great idea on which one of these headsets is the perfect headset for you. Let's go ahead and get started with this Chatterbox XBI kit. This unit is extremely simple. You've got the two speakers that go in the helmet, you got the boom mic that then swings around in front of you, and the controls on this are super simple. You've got power mode, volume up and down. This unit will attach to any helmet and does a really great job if you're looking for rider-passenger or rider-to-rider communication. The next unit we have in line here is the Chatterbox XBI-28. This particular unit has been anticipated for a couple years now, and its release has just happened. You can see on the table here behind me, I have an HJC IS-MAX BT helmet. BT stands for Bluetooth Ready. Take a look at this. Here's the Chatterbox XBI-2H. This is all that there is to mount inside the helmet. Super simple. Any of the HJC IS-MAX BT helmets, they each have a compartment just like this here. You remove this door, and then this piece gets wired in. You've got all the electronics put into the helmet, the speakers, the boom, all that stuff. You've got this unit right here. Super simple. You just set it in place, and there you go. This is the first aftermarket intercom system that you can apply to any BT helmet. It integrates seamlessly and gives you all the functionality of a standard Chatterbox without having to have an additional piece clipped to your helmet. If you're a sport rider and you're looking for the ultimate in noise reduction and speaker quality while riding down the racetrack or with your buddies canyon carving, this GRM-X1 from Chatterbox is an awesome option. It features a noise reducing headset and it has controls that are extremely functional with gloves. What makes this unit different is it has a large illuminated LCD display with 15 channels and 38 talk groups. This particular unit allows up to 5-mile range, so you and your buddies can talk and ride without fear of being disconnected. Moving from the Chatterbox to the Scala Rider. Scala Rider has lots of different options, or different headsets that give you slightly different options, I should say. Here's the Scala Rider Q2. If you're a solo rider, but you want to talk to others who have Scala Riders, this is a great option for you. It's a single unit, plugs in, and gives you all the features and benefits that you would need as a solo rider. You can take phone calls, have GPS, and MP3 player. Essentially, the Scala Rider TeamSet Pro is the Q2 squared. It's going to give you driver to passenger communication. It's going to give you mobile phone, GPS voice instructions. The unit that I've been testing most recently is the Scala Rider G4 Powerset. This here is the unit that I use to communicate with my passenger as well as with 2 other sets of bikes. It works extremely well, and we're all able to communicate and have a great time. The one unique differentiator of this particular unit is the FM antenna. In addition to MP3 and intercom, this particular system here has an antenna that you can flip up and then listen to FM radio. Moving on over to the Camos BTS 300. These two units here are almost identical in the fact that they share the same main body, but the helmets that they fit is what makes them different. With the standard 300, you're going to run the speakers in the helmet wherever you would like them, and then you're going to attach the boom mic. The standard BTS 300 gives you 2 mic mounting options. You've got this soft mount that you can route inside of a full face helmet, or this rigid boom mount if you're going to a 3/4. What about a half helmet? This BTS 300H is the perfect option. You have these headset that slips on over your ears that doesn't even need a helmet. So if you ride in a state that doesn't require a helmet, or if you wear a little shorty helmet, this boom mic will work perfect. You then plug it in to your main body. You can then clip that to either your body or to your half helmet. As stated earlier in this video, this Scena SMH10 is absolutely the easiest helmet headset I've ever used. Attachment is super simple with this 2-bolt clip that slides up in between your helmet and the internal padding, or it also has a double stick mount. These speakers are the loudest speaker I've ever heard inside a helmet headset, and volume adjust is easier than any of the push button units. You simply turn this dial and your volume's adjusted. This particular unit works well on either a full face or 3/4 helmet. I hope that this tip has helped narrow down the options for you so you can now make the most informed buying decision.